say tiny fish. Lako yung fish. Oh, $5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the easiest way to remove this?
There's a bottom.
The
There's
bottom?
a bottom. There's a bottom.
9, 10.
Okay.
Oh, so heavy. Oh my goodness. Baden, are you strong?
And how do you know which is a girl and a boy?
I don't know. It's a girl or a boy here. Baden, how do you know if that is a girl or a boy?
There's a...
Yeah, there's a pee-pee and...
Ang bigat ka nga. Aglinis sa planting mo siya bagi mo mabigat niya. Come on, like the daddy fish.
This is the baby fish.
And this is the baby fish, so cute.
This one's so cute.
Cute. Got lots.
Why are you trying to give? Yeah, we got lots.
It's a very good start of fishing this year.
Ew, the tiny one.
Not bad. Right, let's put the gas. Then ready for trouble. Oh guys! Yee-hee! Start the fishing again! Hi! Ready for fishing, Pinit! Look at your chair! Taapay ka no? Brody! Oh, yes po. I thought Laria will gonna. Oh, yun.
Yeah, and that button.
Why? Ba't pa pinit on? In that button. Yeah, you know it, right? You put your sunglasses. Today is a good day and it's our first time to fish again. It's year 2022 and many are asking me about my skin the last time. Here, look at my neck. So this is the result of it. I have my previous video about my allergy in my neck and now it's already fine. My problem now again is my skin. I'm going to show you what happened to me the last time about my hand. Since it's summertime again, I want to remind you about the sunscreen that we're going to put in our hands. Because look at my hand, what happened. So I want to remind you guys that you have to check your sunscreen if it expired or not. And if you have to try it only in a small part, if it will have an allergy or something that happened on your skin before you're going to spread all over your body. And now I have this skin and I'm going to put aloe vera. Because I'm afraid to, since happened in my skin, I'm afraid to put the sunscreen. So I'll just choose to put this aloe vera and then menthol cream.
What's onion mean? You said.
Oh, wow. Wait, tagara kita picture ti first catch mo. Ikaw mo ah. Taray. And then kita maju papanam. Ay nangay. Ay. Sino ni?
What was it? It's always.
May araw din sila.
Sa kanya ang araw na to.
Just like this. No. It's like a Pokemon from.
Pinit.
No, yes.
Always get your fishing license or picture it in your phone. It's your day. Oh, Jollibee plastic pen. Yes. Grabe sugayam nga. Kaya pala ang bigat. Sabi ko, ang bigat, ang hirap niyang makuan.
Mayat pati so dahil iti barsak mon.
Kuan. Pakibuka, please.
Where did you
Bumuka
get
ka na.
Auntie, where did you get that?
Pangit ng kabut-butang.
Sige,
Abot-butang
katukid dito.
Tanon.
Oh my God.
Oh, si daon mo na anday to.
Tongue?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not the tongue.
Yeah.
Yay!
This is for you.
Nagkabasiti. That's it. So we stay here for whole day, and this is what we usually get. We fry egg and then pork, fried pork. This is the challenge in fishing. If the string is tangled together.
So, what will we do now?
In the name of fish. This is what they call the military training.
Wait, where did you get that?
Oh, just me. Look at this.
Baka da extra badong dito ikang. Kitam gayam nga na isuka ijay.
Yeah, there's luck at least.
Okay.
Naluknungan. Pero wala, meron.
Ay, di na nasiro.
Nala daw lang. Dito dyan ko nada nga kwa. Late bloomer.
Oh, naawan pa'y pati dahi sukit man.
Oh my God. Kita makidi na madayo ka ditan talimak to ditan. Kung malay mo nga may galis. Flies. Okay, I got one. Ronica got two. But the string was tangled. Baglang tan nga nakwa na ako jibagina. Siguro lang langoy nakawit. Okay, we need to put this one big. Oh. Yes, and then we put it here. Oh no, it's so heavy. Thank you.
We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. What? When he sees your tree, the feast on your tree. We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told my fish will die the next day. Then, no. He told me to go. And just like he said that all my hair will disappear. And look at my hair. Your fate is sealed, your prophecy is read. He told me that the life of my dreams will be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my
Akanta ka mo dahil da. Basta ko na mga about Bruno.